English, seat. In Tagalog, paa.
This one.
In English, tuhod. In English, knee. In Tagalog, tuhod. In English, shoulder. In Tagalog, basura. Balikat.
Balikat. This one.
In English, hair. In Tagalog, buhok.
This one.
In English, ear. In Tagalog, tenga.
This one.
In English, nose. In Tagalog, ilong. In English, mouth. In Tagalog, bibig. In English, eye. In English, eye. In Tagalog, mata.
This one.
In
Ito.
English, hand. In Tagalog, kamay.
This one. Here.
In English,
Where is it? This one. This one. What's that?
English, belly button. In Tagalog,
What? Poo?
pusod. In English, booger. In Tagalog, klangon.
Who teach you that? Who taught you?
Vitamina.
Tita Mina.